Tuesday, February 11, 2025. Our Lady of Lourdes, World Day of the Sick. Focus. You live the commandment of God and hold to the tradition of man. Are there not many ways in which we put traditions and habits above everything else? Once, while attending daily Mass, I noticed that a lady who also comes for daily Mass had developed a slow walk with a limp. She revealed that she was suffering from severe back pain. Being a widow of mere means, she was afraid to consult a doctor. I decided to take her to the hospital when I could. However, I got very busy. After 2 weeks, I learned that the lady's condition had worsened and that her neighbor had taken her for treatment. It then dawned on me, to my shame, that it was this neighbor who had truly done God's will. Jesus says, I desire mercy and not sacrifice. He wants us to grow as a loving community, actively taking care of one another. Each of God's commandments reflects one or another form of love. Jesus places far greater importance on loving action than on impersonal cleansing rituals. It was Mary who noticed the plight of the wedding host and told Jesus, they have no wine. She continues her mercy mission at Lourdes. How often are we kind and caring towards others? Fruit. Today, I will perform at least one act of love and self-sacrifice to help a needy person.